Okay, everybody, we got a 2007 Dodge Caliber. You turn it over and it cranks over, but it won't start. Okay, and we shoot it with ether and the car will start right up. But we couldn't figure out what was wrong. We hooked it up to a computer and the computer said that it was the camshaft positioning sensor and sensor for the crankshaft. So the camshaft positioning sensor is right down in here, just to the right of the fuel rail. It's a 10mm bolt that takes it out, and you can pop it right in. The other one is the camshaft positioning sensor. You have a heat shield right here. You have to take this heat shield off, and down below you'll find that the wire going down to the crankshaft positioning sensor, and that's how you replace that one. But we replaced both of those and the car still wouldn't start. So then we went over and we looked at the fuse box, and we went through the fuse box, and I pulled every fuse one by one, and when we got to the 15-amp fuse that's right here, that fuse was blown, and all we did was replace the fuse, and then the car started. So, I don't know if this will help any of you guys. I see a lot of everybody's having the same problem, but on ours all it was this 15-amp fuse, and we put the camshaft and the crankshaft positioning sensor in anyway, since the car's got high mileage. But it was actually the 15-amp fuse right here, this dark blue one, and that's why the car wouldn't start. Hope this helps you guys. If not, hey, good luck with your thing.